Hey there and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to change store currency into Shopify. So first of all you have to head over to your Shopify dashboard. Then from there you can see this option called products. You have to tap on the products. As you can see, mine is in dollars right now. So if you wish to change it, you have to go to online store, this option, and then themes. You can see if you click on customize, or you can view your store and see that basically your products will be in USD, like US dollars. But if you want to change them, you have to click on the settings from the bottom left corner. Then after tapping onto settings, you will see this option like store details and etc. You have to scroll down and you will see this option called store currency. So you have to tap onto the store currency, and from there you can choose your currency you wish to proceed with. For example, it is right now in Mexican pesos. You can change it to USD or euro. So that's it. This is as simple as that. So if this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more. See you in the next video.